This service video is about how to install a new compressor. Tools and parts will be shown when necessary. Turn on the unit. Let it run for a minimum of 5 minutes to heat up the oil in the compressor. Turn the unit off and unplug it. Unscrew the valve caps to evacuate the gas from the cooling system. Attach the hoses for the gas evacuation. The gas is collected in an appropriate container for proper disposal. Check your country's rules and regulations for proper disposal. The evacuation takes 1 to 2 hours. Do a vacuum check to see if the cooling system is leaking by watching the pressure gauge. Turn off the valve to the pump. The vacuum gauge should read close to 0 bar. Pressure should be stable, not rising. To ensure correct pressure, let the system stand for a minimum of 1 hour. Fill the system with dry nitrogen. Remove the hoses from the pipes. Connect the hose to the cooling system. Fill the cooling system with the dry nitrogen. Stop when excess pressure is reached. Cut the pipes. Tools needed: wire brush, pipe cutter. Clean the pipes with a wire brush to prepare them for repair. Cut the pipes with a pipe cutter. Do not use a flame torch or plasma cutter. The gas is highly flammable. When cutting the pipes, be aware of the excess pressure. Tools needed to uninstall the compressor: socket wrench, screwdriver, spanner, electric screwdriver. Parts needed: pipe caps. Remove the starting devices. Remove the plastic box cover. Detach the starting relay. Detach the starting capacitor. Remove the compressor by unscrewing the base plate from the unit. Put the caps on the pipes to avoid contamination and moisture. Remove the base plate from the compressor. Tools needed to replace the filter: side cutters, wire brush, mirror, pipe cutter, soldering equipment. Parts needed: new filter. Always change the filter when doing repairs or charging new gas. Remove the old filter. Do not use a flame torch or plasma cutter. The gas is highly flammable. Install the new filter. Allow no more than 15 minutes from the filter package is opened until all the connections are finished to avoid moisture. Adjust the pipes so the filter sits securely. Crimp the pipe connections lightly, just to hold the filter in place. Solder the filter in place. Clean the pipe with a wire brush. Check the connection with a mirror to make sure there are no visible leaks. Tools needed to install the new compressor: socket wrench, wire brush, mirror, spanner, poly grip, soldering equipment. Screw the new compressor onto the base plate and tighten the nuts and bolts. Place the compressor in the unit. Adjust the pipes so they fit into the compressor connection. Solder the pipes together again. Clean the pipes with the wire brush. Check the connections with a mirror. Tools needed to flush the cooling system. Valve screwdriver. Flush the system with dry nitrogen to remove any moisture. Let the compressor stand and evacuate for 12 to 24 hours. Make a new vacuum check. Close the pump. To ensure correct pressure, let the system stand a minimum of 1 hour. Install the starting devices. Attach the starting capacitor. Attach the starting relay. Replace the plastic box cover. Parts needed to prepare the gas bottle. A special gas is blended for the specific unit. Weigh the gas bottle. Keep track of the gas bottle's weight. Shake the bottle for 2 minutes to ensure the gases are well mixed. Hang the bottle up face downward. Make a setup similar to this. Slowly open the valve on the bottle. Be careful not to fill it too quickly. Fill the pressure up to 5 bar. Shut off the valve on the bottle. Turn on the unit. Wait till the compressor begins to run. This will take about 1 minute. The discharge gauge will rise as the compressor is filled with gas. The suction gauge will fall. Open the valve a little bit at a time and wait for the pressure to fall again. Repeat until the bottle is empty. Keep an eye on the suction gauge while the pressure drops. Be aware at 1 bar. When the pressure reaches under 0 bar, it will begin to suck back up again. Shut off when it reaches approximately 0.5 bar. Let it run for a few hours. At minus 80 degrees Celsius, the final pressure on the discharge gauge is between 15 and 18 bar. The final pressure on the suction gauge is approximately 1 bar. Check the weight of the gas bottle to ensure that the right amount of gas has been filled into the unit. Tools needed to seal the pipes: glue, crimping tool, pipe cutter, vice grip. Parts needed: connecting nipples. Temporarily close the pipe by squeezing it with a vice grip. Cut the pipe with a pipe cutter. glue the connection nipple on the pipe end. Crimp the nipple with a crimping tool. Repeat on the other pipe. The compressor is now fully functional. It's that simple. Arctiko, the art of simplicity.